Something pretty crazy is happening online right now, and I just had to share it with you. Just take a look at this video.
Now every scar I used to fear feels like it brought me here. 'Cause I see heaven in your eyes, a peace I never thought I'd find. You make the broken parts feel white, like stars reborn in the blackest sky. You found me where I lost my way, tell my heart it's safe to stay. No need to run, no need to hide. I see heaven in your eyes. Every time the world turns cold, you're the fire I hold.
I was scrolling through YouTube the other day just looking for something chill to watch when I found this channel that totally shocked me. Guess what? It was only started 2 months ago and already has over 156,000 subscribers, and the videos have pulled in more than 83 million views in just a few weeks. Yeah, 82 million, even wilder. One single video on that channel has crossed 47 million views, no jokes. Naturally, I had to dig into how they pulled this off, and guess what? The secret is something called lip sync AI music videos. Basically, it's videos where animated characters lip sync to powerful emotional music, and it's going viral like crazy. And you know what? This is your chance to get in early. Before this whole trend gets flooded, you can start your own AI-powered music video channel and potentially make some serious money doing it. In this walkthrough, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own viral AI lip sync music video using ChatGPT, Mango Animate, and a few other tools for free, and don't worry, I'll guide you step by step. But real quick, if you're into creative stuff like this, it would mean a lot if you tapped the like button and subscribed. It keeps me going and lets me share more of these cool finds with you. Alright, ready? Let's do this. Step 1, create a beautiful song with AI. You've probably heard Beyonce's Halo, right? That emotional, timeless vibe is exactly what we want to capture. To write lyrics like that, we'll use a special prompt. You can grab it from our Telegram group. I've attached the link in the description. Copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Within seconds, you'll get beautiful, heartfelt lyrics. For example, the AI wrote a song called Eclipse, and trust me, it hit all the right emotions. Head over to Musicful AI using the link provided in the description and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, click on AI Music. Choose the styles for your song. You can select more than one genre to mix things up. Next, paste your lyrics into the box, give your song a title, and hit Create Song. In just a few seconds, Musicful will generate 2 versions of your track. Listen to both and choose the one that resonates with you.
Now every scar I used to fear feels like it brought me here. 'Cause I see heaven in your eyes.
I personally loved the first one. It was super emotional. Click the 3 dots, select Download MP3, and that's it. Boom. Your original song is ready to share with the world. Step 2, bring your character to life. Next, we need visuals. Imagine a beautiful girl gently strumming a guitar and singing your song. That's the vibe. To get this, we'll use image prompts. I've made a special template you can find in our Telegram group. Copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, and it'll give you 5 different image ideas. Choose your favorite prompt and head to leonardo.ai. Log in, select the cinematic Kino model, and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Perfect for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Paste the prompt and hit Generate. After a few seconds, Leonardo will give you 4 gorgeous images. Pick the one that matches your song's mood best and download it. Step 3. Make the magic happen. Lip sync AI video. Now, here's where the fun really begins, putting everything together into an actual music video. We will be using Mango Animate AI, and it's the tool that makes all of this possible. Mango Animate lets you create lip-syncing videos, singing videos, talking photos, animated avatars, and even translations, all in just minutes. Seriously, it's a total game changer. I've dropped the link to Mango Animate in the description of this video, so go ahead and check it out. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here's what to do next. Scroll down and select Singing Photos. This is the option we need for our lip sync video. Upload the character image we created with leonardo.ai. You know, the one of the beautiful girls strumming the guitar. Next, upload the song we generated with Musicful AI, the track that's been giving us all the feels. Choose a singing style. For this video, let's go with passionate to match the emotional depth of the song. Pick your post scale and lip scale settings. These adjust the movement and size of the character's lips and overall body language. Play around until everything looks just right. Once you've got it all set, hit generate and give it a few moments. When it's ready, let's check it out together.
Now every scar I used to fear feels like it brought me here. 'Cause I see heaven in your eyes, a peace I never thought I'd find. You make the broken parts feel white, like stars reborn in the blackest night.
Wow, isn't that incredible? The character is lip syncing perfectly to the song, and even playing the guitar, it looks super real, right? That's the power of Mango Animate AI. What started as a simple idea now feels like a full-blown professional music video. And the best part? You didn't need to spend hours editing or mastering video production skills. Mango Animate does all the heavy lifting for you. Here's another amazing feature Mango Animate has that you might want to try. Talking photos. If you ever want to create videos where your animations talk instead of sing, maybe for acting clips or comedic sketches, the Talking Photos tool is perfect for that. Just go back to the home page, click on Talking Photos, and explore this fun feature for yourself. Imagine turning any character into a talking actor, like it's that easy. So there you have it. You just created your very own AI-generated music video, all from the comfort of your home. Step 4. Add captions to boost engagement. Now that our lip sync AI music video is ready, let's take it to the next level and increase its chances of going viral by adding captions. Captions are key to boosting engagement and watch time, especially on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, where many users watch videos on mute. In this step, we'll be using CapCut, a super easy to use video editor. If you're using a different editor, the steps will be similar. Here's how to add captions in CapCut. Open CapCut, create a new project with a 9:16 aspect ratio, and import your AI video. Tap on text at the bottom, then select auto caption. CapCut will automatically generate captions for the video. To style the captions, tap the captions layer, choose style, and pick a design that fits your video. Finally, hit export to save your video with captions, and there you have it. Your AI generated viral music video is ready to go. Give it a shot. Your video could be the next big viral hit. And hey, if you need any help writing your lyrics or just want me to take a look at your video idea, drop me a comment. I'd love to help. So go give it a try. Who knows? Your video could be the next one to hit millions of views. If you're ready to start creating your own viral videos, give Mango Animate AI a try, and is the perfect tool to bring your ideas to life with ease. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tutorials like this. Let me know what videos you create, and I'll be happy to check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.